Hello everyone, my name is Chanchal and welcome you all in Rambo Services. So in this video we are going to talk about the elite force of India which is attached to the Indian Army. Uh, we call it as the Para SF. So obviously there is a lot of demand in the youths and in the other people as well to know about the Para Special Forces because it is that particular unit that held operation in Pakistan and Myanmar. So it contributed a lot in the defense services. So today in this video we're going to talk about it. So as you are already aware of that, Para Special Forces are known as Para SF. It is a special operation unit of the Indian Army and it is attached with the Parachute Regiment. Uh, Sometimes there is a question which arises in student mind or defense aspirant mind, that what is the difference between the Para SF and the Parachute Regiment. So the Parachute Regiment consists of two forces. One is the airborne forces and other is the special forces. The airborne forces is the kind of force which is known for their operation behind the enemy lines. Okay, but if we talk of the special forces of the which is called Para SF, it is a kind of unit which is used in counter-terrorism, covert strike, in hostage rescue, and in other special operations. So I think it's now clear that what is the difference between Parachute Regiment and the Parachute Regiment of Special Forces and the Airborne Forces. So let's move on. So as I was talking that it specialize in various roles including hostage rescue, counter-terrorism, unconventional warfare, and etc. So the first thing that should come in your mind, that how you can identify a Parachute Regiment special forces officer. How can you identify that someone is belonging to the Para SF? So the first thing you should notice about it is the Balidan badge. Each Para SF officers or the sepoys or the soldiers have a Balidan badge right on their chest. So this is the sign that you can see here is the Balidan badge, which is known for sacrifices. It is getting into the Para SF is a kind of sacrifice in itself. So that is why in honor to that soldier and the officers it is given to them. So it was formed in 1966 and its presence still can be felt, and it is nowadays active as well. So it is a special operation of the Indian Army. Obviously it belongs from India. So as I talked about what are the roles of it, so and now we talk about the size. What is the size of the Para SF? It consists of 9 battalions. Okay, and it's a part of the Parachute Regiment that I have talked to you earlier. That now its headquarters is located in Bengaluru. Okay, and what is the motto of this special forces is man apart, every man an imperial, Satrujit the conqueror. Now we talk about the colors, maroon background, Santau holding a bow and arrow. Anniversaries, it formed on 1 July 1966. That is why its anniversary is celebrated on 1st July. So what are the engagements of Para SF? So as we have seen that in 1965 Indo-Pakistan War or in 1971 Indo-Pakistan War, this special force contributed a lot, and it was it was the unit which turned the whole result of the war. Okay, it also took part in Operation Blue Star in Amritsar, where some of the Sikh militants get into the Golden Temple and try to make hostages. And at that time, Para SF was the only special force who did it very nicely and let the militant get out of that Golden Temple. So it is that operation. Now it also take part in certain operations like Operation Cactus, Operation Pavan, in Kargil War as well. And obviously it take part in 2015 counter-insurgency operation in Myanmar. Okay, which is nearly which is nearly no which is nearly of the operation that held in 2016 So in 2016, the line of control strike, we have seen that. So obviously it is a very tough service of India, and obviously uh, most of the youngsters nowadays aspiring to get into that, but you should aware of that it is a special force, so you must have some special qualities in yourself to join the para SF. Okay, now talk about the colonel of the regiment. It's Lieutenant General Pranjit Singh Sangha. Its identification symbol, as I have talked earlier, it's maroon beret and the Balidan badge, and it's also have a special force tab on the sleeves. Okay, so these are things which led to the para SF. So I think now all the doubts are clear, and if you're new on the channel, make sure that you are subscribing it, and also make sure that you are sharing this video with your friends as well. Thank you for watching.